In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell products on Fresha with this full 2025 guide. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your sales process, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about selling products on Fresha. We'll start by guiding you through the login process, followed by how to enable product inventory, add a new product, and finally sell those products at checkout. To begin, log into your Fresha Partner account. You can do this by either opening the Fresha Partner app on your smartphone or visiting the Fresha Partner website on your computer. It's essential to have your business account details ready as you'll need them to sign in. Once you're logged in, it's time to enable your products and inventory. Navigate over to the sidebar and click on Products/Inventory. If this is your first time accessing this feature, you might notice a prompt to activate inventory tracking. By activating it, you unlock the ability to add and manage the retail items you want to sell, an essential step for keeping your stock organized. Now that your inventory is activated, it's time to add a new product to your list. Head to the Products section and select Add Product. You'll need to fill in important details about the product you're introducing. Start with the product name, for instance, Hydrating Shampoo 250 ml. Then select a relevant category such as hair, skincare, or wellness. Don't forget to add the supplier or brand to identify where your product is coming from. If you have it, an SKU or barcode can be entered in this section as well. While not mandatory, it can be quite helpful for tracking. Next, enter the cost price. This is the amount you pay your supplier, and the selling price, which is what your clients will be charged. Lastly, include the stock quantity to ensure you have an eye on available units. Adding an image can also be useful for your team to quickly identify products. Once all details are entered, remember to hit save. With your products in place, it's time to move on to how you can sell them during checkout. Whenever a client is ready to pay, go to the appointment calendar, select the respective appointment, and proceed to checkout. Here, tap on Add Item and choose from your list of available products. You can add multiple products at a time if necessary. Completing the sale is straightforward with options such as cash, card, or Fresha payments. Finally, to ensure smooth operations and stock management, frequently monitor your inventory. Navigate to Products, then Inventory to keep track of your stock levels. Adjust quantities whenever you receive new stock. To avoid any interruptions in product availability, it's wise to set up low stock alerts, helping you manage your supplies efficiently. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on selling products on Fresha in 2025. With these steps, you're well on your way to streamlining your product sales and inventory management effectively. Good luck and happy selling!